Hey guys, it's Jessie, and today I have my Boxycharm. It's for the month of February, and if you are new to Boxycharm, it is a $21 monthly beauty subscription. This month there was 4 different variations, so I think I got variation 1 because that's the one that I've been getting for the past few months. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. Here, that is that Boxycharm. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is, it says from Cover FX Extra U, you get 20% off on your next purchase of Cover FX if you use the code FX Charm. So that's the first thing. And I did see spoilers from this month, for last month actually, and I do have spoilers for next month. So let me go ahead and let you know the spoiler for next month. And if you don't want to hear about the spoiler, I'll go ahead and leave the timestamp here so you can just go ahead and forward it over to the unboxing. Okay, so for the month of March, all of the Boxycharm subscribers are going to be receiving this palette, and this is in collaboration with Pure, so I'm not sure if you're going to be able to buy this outside of Boxycharm or if it's just an exclusive for them. Here that is, and this is a pretty nice palette. So again, everybody's going to be receiving that palette. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. Now this month is Galaxy Glow. Here that is, and I did get variation 1. If you see right here on the right corner here, try to get it as close as possible. It does say V1, so that means variation 1. And then also in the back of the card here, you do get a little bit more information of each of the products and then the retail value of it as well. So let me go ahead and pull. First thing I'm pulling out is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. It is 0.14 ounces. I don't know if I mentioned this, but you do get between 4 to 5 full-size items every single month for that $21. So this is a pearlescent cream. Can be used anywhere in the face. This is in the shade Amethyst. That is. Let me go ahead and swatch that for you guys. And I did swatch this at Ulta. I went over the weekend because I knew we were going to be receiving this one, and I just went ahead and swatched it, and it is a nice color. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's very nice and creamy, but I think it is a little bit on the sheer side, so maybe for like a topper you would have to apply some of it over and over, but it's very, very nice. You can definitely see that shimmer there. So the Cover FX, it does retail for $28. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Pure Cosmetics Exfo Lips. It is a plumping lip exfoliator. It is 0.1 ounce. Here is that. Let me go ahead and give that a swatch. And I definitely do see, I definitely do feel that those exfoliating like beads, probably like the sugar that I'm feeling. This here retails for $17. The next thing I'm pulling out is a brush trio. They definitely do look like the Wet n Wild brushes, but this is by Crown Brush. It is a 3-piece pro brush trio set. Let me go ahead and open these up. And while I open these up, these have a retail of $29.99. So here is the first brush, and again, they definitely do look like the Wet n Wilds. They even have the little divot here, the ergonomic style sort of brushes. The only thing with this, I actually don't even hold it this close when I'm putting it on. Actually try to hold it on the back here, so that unfortunately for me doesn't work, but it's okay. They definitely do feel nice and soft. Actually, I do have some Wet n Wild brushes that look exactly like this, and they definitely feel the same exact way. Now this here is a packing brush, and this here can, since they are synthetic, you can definitely use them for different things other than what's mentioned. This definitely will be maybe for like highlight. That's what I would use it for. And then this one here looks like either like a powder brush or a blush brush. But this one's definitely nice and big, but you can definitely just feel like the plasticky. They definitely don't have like a good weight to them, so that's okay. Next thing I'm pulling out is a black eyeliner. It's a Smokey eye pencil by Vintage by Jessica RUviews. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it correctly, but here that is. I'm not going to swatch that. I do have a lot of black pencils, a lot of eyeliners, so I'm going to just put this to the side, maybe for like a giveaway item. But that black pencil retails for $21. And then here are my last two items. And I think this is like a set kind of together, that goes together. I did receive the Ofra blush. This is the Blush Winter in Rose Glow. And this is just a little pan here on the side. It's definitely a very, very nice color. Here's that blush. Let me go ahead and swatch that. Definitely feels a little bit rough. Oh, it's definitely, I feel like chunks in there. Oh, it's not the blush, it's the exfoliator. Put it right on top of the exfoliator. As you can see here with the exfoliator, it looks a little bit different because it has like a little base to it, and that's what it looks like just by itself. It's a very nice, like what is it, like nude color for your cheeks. Definitely will be using that. And then the last item is the Ofra pop-up palette. And this, I was hoping I would get the pop-up palette rather than the like glow highlight, because I do have some eyeshadows that I do want to depot, so I was definitely looking forward to this. So here is that pop-up palette. You can definitely just put your blush that we did receive into that magnetic palette there. And the blush retails for $12, and then the pop-up palette mini is $19. I would say this box was okay. I definitely did like it a little bit more for the pop-up palette, and then this here, the rest, it's okay, but for $21, definitely is a good price. I think that, well, this by itself definitely just covers the box and then some, because it is $28 retail price, so it was okay. If you do receive Boxycharms, let me know what variation you received and if you liked it a little bit more. And if you did receive that highlighting palette, let me know what you thought about that, because that definitely did look interesting, but definitely I was more interested in the pop-up palette. Alrighty guys, well, that was my whole box. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget about February's giveaway. This month's giveaway is the Sunday Riley CEO serum and then a clinic bonus. I'll go ahead and leave that in the outro. And if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll go ahead and leave that link down below. It's not an affiliate link. But yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys next time.